All right, everybody. Today we're going to work on dividing using the array model. And the difference between this week and last week is this week we will have some remainders to work with. All right, so let's take a look here. We have 19 divided by 2. We have 19 blocks here. We're going to use as many of these blocks as possible to come up with as many groups of 2 as we can. All right, so let's take a look. So we're going to do, there's a group of 2. There's a group of 2. There's a group of 2. We're going to keep making groups of 2 until we've gotten to 18. Look at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Can we make another full group of 2? No, we only have one block left. We cannot make another group of 2. So if we take a look here, we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 groups of 2. So 19 divided by 2 equals 9. And our remainder is just the leftovers. We only have 1 left over. There it is. All the remainders are the leftovers once we've created as many equal groups as possible.